Oh, hey, buddy. What's up? What we doing? So you didn't just see doors?
So this is how
on
we
the
starting this
screen?
off.
I mean,
Well, first of all,
it was
your
right
videos
there.
are boring.
What? I don't watch them. Second of all, it was a question.
Yeah, but you
I asked you. It was
It was a
right
question.
there on the
All you had to do was
screen.
answer.
I
Just
don't watch
look.
your videos. So what? You watch the videos.
Nah,
I don't. Anyway, we're doing doors.
now was that so hard?
A little.
Now let me just hit this
No,
button.
don't push
Right
that button.
here.
Oh, hey, buddy. Again.
Yeah, we're doing doors.
I really hate you.
Sure you do.
So what are you doing now? Oh, buddy. Well, right now, I'm building the door seals. I'm using thin styrene strips.
Okay.
So, I have a question. The gentleman in the front, why didn't you show cutting the doors out? I mean, because who don't know how to cut the doors out? Me. You can use the back of your blade. You
Okay.
can use thread. You can use a scriber.
Okay.
So how did you cut these out? I use thread.
Interesting.
So why did you ask me that?
Because I might be working on a little model.
You? Really?
Hey, I don't like how you said that.
What kind of model could you be working on?
As a matter of fact, it's a car.
A car?
Yeah.
What scale?
Oh, it's a 25-1.
What?
So you use thread.
I mean, yeah, but you might want to use a skill saw.
Come on now. That's just silly. So what are you doing with those paper clips?
I'm gonna use paper clips to make the hinges. Oh, okay. So I'll just watch. That would be best for everyone.
You know
Never
what?
mind. So anyway, I'm bending the paper clip into the shape of the hinge.
Okay.
Most people that make model car hinges make them the same way. So, it's pretty much the same. You should probably just draw a like a diagram or whatever.
For what?
Just to let the people like me that don't know how to make a
Okay.
hinge.
I got you.
Let them know what's
Like
up.
this.
Yeah, you should do something like that. So now we're going to put the diagram up. I put it up so we can see. You just keep talking. Put it up. Ah, there you go. See? That helped a lot. So now I don't even know where we are because I was so rudely interrupted.
Wait, what?
Oh yeah, I got the hinges bent.
I'm trying to help you out.
And now I'm gonna place them on the door. A lot of people make them where the door opens up to the outside of the fender, where the front of the door is on the outside of the fender. But the real car, that the door opens up and the front of the door is on the inside of the fender. To do that, all you gotta do is flip the hinge around. It's the same thing. Wow, that was great. I learned a lot. It's really no right or wrong way to do it.
Right?
It's just, how you prefer. Because if you buy a die-cast model, the doors are going to open up on the outside of the fender.
True.
And I mean, it looks great. So just do it how you want to do it.
Well, alrighty then.
So now I'm just opening up the tubes so that when I put the doors in after I painted and everything, it'll just slide in real easy. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I got you.
And if you're going to have the doors open up on the inside of your fender, you want to go ahead and trim the inside of your fender as thin as possible without going through, of course.
Oh.
That was so fake.
No, it wasn't.
But anyway,
I'm real.
you want to keep checking to make sure your doors fit right. If they don't, go ahead and, sand where it don't fit or add some more plastic where it don't fit.
More plastic.
Get it looking right.
What?
And when you get ready, tape your doors on and get your hinges glued into place.
Hey, I was thinking, this is running kind of long.
Really?
So why don't we
What you want to just?
yeah, why don't we finish
Just
it
do it
tomorrow?
Okay, we'll just
Alright.
finish it tomorrow. Tune in, same bat channel, same bat time,
Man, just cut
same
the video off. What are you doing?
That was corny.
That was so
Alright.
corny. Ugh.